everyone, my name is Haekyung and this is Jordi. Together we are the Lifetime Travelmates. After a long break from backpacking, we're back on the road and back in Sri Lanka. We keep exploring beautiful places and trying amazing food. On today's episode, we're in Galle.
Authentic food for this Galle Fort area.
Mango curry is out of this world.
Very different.
He's a rock star.
The Galle Fort is like multicultural.
Very interesting.
Then finally I found the real recipe.
Oh my god, it's sweet and spicy. I love it.
Galle is a city on the southwest coast of Sri Lanka. It's known for the Galle Dutch Fort, the old city founded by Portuguese colonists in the 16th century, then extensively fortified by the Dutch during the 17th century.
Galle Dutch Fort is one of the most beautiful places in Sri Lanka. Its history makes it a melting pot of culture with a unique fusion of European and Asian influences. Trendy shops, many restaurants and boutique hotels now occupy the old colonial buildings that line its cobblestone streets. The Dutch Fort is surprisingly unlike anywhere else in Sri Lanka. They say it is an ideal place to relax in style. The food options are quite various here. There is not only Sri Lankan cuisine, but also Japanese, Italian, French, Indian, and some bistros, cafes, and pubs. But we were super excited to be invited to Coconut Sambol for an authentic Sri Lankan experience from recipes passed from older generations.
As soon as we entered this cute restaurant, we knew we were in the right place. Coconut Sambol is small in size with 4 tables, but the clay pots are full of different curries and vegetables and get refilled all the time. The homey ambience and the aromas coming from the food made us relaxed and hungrier. To start with, we tried the signature homemade fresh ginger beer from the house. What a treat!
Then finally I found the real recipe.
Okay, but it has alcohol?
No, it's zero alcohol.
Okay.
It comes with 100% herbs. Ginger beer is without alcohol. It comes with carbonated water and like a lot of sugar. On this we put like to make sweet is trickle honey. Then we put ginger is the main. Then we put lemongrass. Most of the dry recipes are there. It's like kind of a long experiment.
Nice. What spices do you put there?
But on the top is just pepper on the top for like decoration, and it's like will make your immune system like boost.
It's very gingery. Not the burning ginger flavor, just the flavor, but not the spice. And fruity. I don't know if there are fruits for real in here, but it's refreshing. No alcohol.
The Galle Fort is like multicultural. When I start this, I thought of doing like something for the authentic food for this Galle Fort area.
Okay, let's try the rice with the special dal he made with the coconut milk.
Rice is cooked with local herbs, and the color comes with the turmeric.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
It's very flavorful.
And the different herbs are here, the local 100%. And this one is one of our own recipes. It comes like fruit curry dish. The fruit curry comes with mango, pineapple, and the different dry fruits, and the dry herbs is cooked with treacle.
Look at this huge mango seed.
Oh my god, it's sweet and spicy. I love it.
Then this gives like 4 flavors, like sweet, sour, smoky, kind of different flavors.
There's even cinnamon here.
The flavor of the mango and then spices in it.
Mango passion fruit curry is out of this world.
This mango curry is a rock star. Really, really.
And the next dish is just eggplant we fried, then we cook with coconut milk.
Oh my god. The eggplant is so soft.
It's nice, yeah. One thing you can tell from the beginning is how homey it feels. Everything is like, you can tell it's been cooked for a while with the right ingredients and spices and all. It's very, very homey.
And the very next one is mixed vegetable. So it's beetroot is there today, and the long beans are there, capsicums are there, then the spring onion is there. It's a mixed vegetable, different flavors on it also, like creamy, it comes like a little bit sour, and it's like it gives 100% the vegetable flavor.
Oh my god, the explosion of flavors is pretty amazing.
And the next one with tofu, eggplant is cooked with blend banana and the coconut milk. And this is one of our another secret recipe. It's like 100% authentic and it's one of our own recipes.
I tried tofu for a while. It tastes like beef or something, but it's tofu. Oh my god, I want to learn how to make this. It's super nice.
Oh my god. This really, it's like a feast. Plus, you can refill as much as you need. What else can you ask for? Amazing food in big quantities.
And this coconut sambol.
Everybody's doing like coconut sambal with spicy, but we do is like dry the like roasted coconut, and we add lot of lime and give you different flavors on it. Spicy, little sour, and little smoky. It comes different flavor in it.
It's more like a salty side, not like spicy. Oh, this is interesting. This is different from other coconut sambal we tried in different places.
And this one is leeks, chopped leeks, and it comes with dry long beans. It's cooked together with dry lemon. It's like lemon sauce. And this is organic chicken. Everybody just do like hormone chicken, but most of the time we do like organic chicken. We do most of it like organic chicken. It's a bit harder, but taste is good and it's healthier.
Wow,
Feels nice. Feels very nice.
this is nice. I feel like it's really like fresh.
Even the chicken is so tasty. Organic.
It's like almost our vegan except the chicken.
Is it common to eat with hands this or?
Normally in Sri Lanka we
Yeah?
use the hand. Yeah.
So you would eat this with hands?
Yeah, normally like most of the time. You get the real flavor, real taste.
True. Yeah. Yeah.
Easy. Then we have this fried banana blossom, the banana flower. When the banana comes, the end, which is the bottom ash color plant, is hanging on like a triangle. That one.
It's unique flavor. It's not strong flavor. It's very nice and subtle. Reminds me some kind of lotus or other flowers. Yeah. So every day is the same kind of.
No. This is changing. This is changing. And this is changing. We put young jackfruit. Sometimes we put different fruits.
Normally, I'm not the one who refill the food because I get full very easily. And this time, it's magic. I got another plate because this was so delicious. So let's start the second round.
All those curries are so good that we couldn't resist going for a second round.
If we were staying around here, I would come every day here. Really. It's this kind of place that you don't get tired, and it's like a nice mix of everything, right?
I was thinking the same thing.
Holy moly.
Jordi and I both enjoyed the meal, but we got so full that we needed a proper walk to digest all that Sri Lankan feast. If you visit Galle Dutch Fort, we strongly recommend you to try Coconut Sambol.
And with this walk around the Galle Dutch Fort, we arrive at the end of this episode. Stay tuned for more Sri Lanka travel and food videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you on the next one.
Yeah, we've been walking around for a while, all the like, different alleys, and I feel this place is really, really different from other places in Sri Lanka. Like, I feel like I'm in a different, even like country or, yeah, totally different place.
It's just like an outdoor shopping mall, basically. Really? Like outdoor shopping mall?
I mean, people call it also this place is a Dutch town. So I heard that even for locals, this place is a popular tourist site. If they are looking for some unique like vacation place, the locals also come here to experience like different atmosphere, you know. Like, yeah, it's very different, very interesting.